Are you tired of watching expensive ceramic sprays wash away after the very first heavy rain? Today, we're cutting through the marketing lies to find the waxes that actually survive. Stick around to see which $15 bottle is outperforming products triple its price. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 6, we have the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Priced right around $20 for a 16-ounce bottle, this is a natural Carnauba-based liquid wax. Let me be brutally honest. You do not buy this for long-term winter protection. You buy this for one reason: a deep, dripping wet gloss on show day. Chemical Guys markets this as a true wipe-on, wipe-off formula. There is no waiting around, and it smells like sweet bananas while you work. It is super forgiving for beginners. With over 14,000 reviews on Amazon, owners love how it makes dark paint pop. The catch? Durability. You get about 1 month of solid beating before you need to reapply. If you are prepping for a weekend car meet, this is your go-to. Grab it from the link below if you prioritize looks over longevity. But if you want more than just a weekend shine, that brings us to number 5, Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. For about $20, Meguiar's ditches natural wax for a pure synthetic polymer formula. Why does that matter? Because synthetic polymers bond better to your clear coat, giving you relentless water-beating action. Meguiar's built this around thin film technology. Even if you accidentally apply it in direct sunlight, it wipes off effortlessly without leaving chalky white residue on your trim. It comes with a premium towel and pad right in the box. In real-world testing, it holds up for 2 to 4 months. If you want a reliable, clear coat safe wax from a legendary brand that won't punish you in the sun, this is a bulletproof choice. Check the description to see if the Amazon deal is active today. That covers traditional waxes, but if you want modern technology that protects your paint, wheels, and plastic trim all at once, number 4 will blow you away. Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. Priced around $22, this is a heavy-hitting hybrid. Griot's blends Carnauba wax with advanced SiO2 ceramic polymers, the exact technology that forms a glass-like protective shell over your paint. The Carnauba gives you a warm glow, while the ceramic provides extreme chemical resistance. Thousands of Amazon buyers give this a 4.7 out of 5 because it legitimately lasts up to 6 months. It acts as a standalone shield or a great maintenance topper. If you want one single spray bottle to protect your entire exterior, Griot's is the ultimate all-rounder. We are getting closer to that $15 champion. But first, let's look at a product with a literal cult following. Behold, number 3, Collinite 845 Insulator Wax. At $21, this plain-looking bottle has no flashy marketing, but it has a massive army of loyal fans. With a 4.8-star rating from over 4,000 buyers, this is a Carnauba and polymer hybrid originally engineered to protect electrical power lines from extreme weather. Yes, you heard that right. Quickfire tip: it runs thick, so warm the bottle in tap water, use a slightly damp pad, and buff it off. Once it is on, it forms an absolute shield that powers through brutal winters for 5 to 7 months. It takes a little extra elbow grease, but if you want bulletproof protection for your daily driver, Collinite is legendary. Old school toughness is great, but if you want the absolute cutting edge of space-age technology, number 2 takes it to a whole new level. Adams Polish's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. At around $45, it is the most expensive option here. This is not a weekend wax. This is a true, reduced graphene oxide ceramic coating in a sprayable form. Adams claims up to 18 months of protection, and independent tests easily cross the 1-year mark. But here is the ultimate cheat code. Adams infused this formula with patent-pending UV glow technology. Shine a UV flashlight over your car, and the coating physically glows blue on your paint. You instantly see exactly what you missed before it cures. Do not buy this if you aren't going to prep your paint first. But if you want professional-grade protection without paying a detailer $1,000, click the link below for Adams Advanced Graphene. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, the undisputed champion of today's list. Number 1, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. For just $15, this product has completely disrupted the entire detailing industry. With nearly 30,000 reviews, Turtle Wax delivers a true ceramic blend with synthetic polymers that costs less than a fast food meal. Application is a joke. Spray 2 mists per panel, wipe it in, and buff it off. No waiting, no curing lamps, no professional prep. It gives your car a mirror shine that's hard to miss, and creates extreme surface tension where water just physically cannot stick. While they claim a year, A realistic 4 to 6 months of heavy daily driving is standard, which, for $15, is an absolute steal. If you are on a budget, have zero experience, but want your car to look like a glass mirror, buy this right now. There is a reason it is the #1 seller on Amazon. Stop overpaying for marketing hype. Whether you want the insane, multi-year durability of Adam's graphene, the toughness of Collinite, or the unbeatable $15 value of turtle wax, I've linked every single product with their current Amazon discounts in the description and pinned comment below. If this video helped you save some money today, smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to see more no BS car care reviews, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Tell me in the comments below, which wax are you putting on your car this weekend? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.